Yeah, this one's for Ambo, a land of warriors, a land of fire, where the rivers flow and the voices rise, where the Gadaa stands strong and freedom never dies. For Hacaalu, for the youth, for the future, we sing, we fight, we stand tall. Ambo, this one's for you. Way out west where the rivers flow, there's a fire in the hearts that grow. Ambo town where the strong stand tall, never back down, never fall. Hot springs rise from the earth so deep, healing waters but the struggle don't sleep. Wisdom lives in the Gadaa way, truth and justice we fight every day. Ambo, Ambo, Gadaa, Gala, La Fatu, Gagala, Gala. Sing your song, the fight goes on. From the hills to the valley wide, freedom burns, we walk with pride. From the streets to the stage he spoke, a voice of fire, the chains he broke. Hacaalu sang for the world to hear. Oromo rise, no more fear. They tried to silence, tried to hide, but his words still ride the tide. Every note, every song tells the truth, keeps us strong. Ambo, Ambo, Gadaa, Gala, La Fatu, Gagala, Gala. Sing your song, the fight goes on. From the hills to the valley wide, freedom burns, we walk with pride. Walk out like the cherubs, brave and true. Mothers cry, but they push through. Fathers stand with the fire inside. For the land they will never divide. Gadaa pray for peace and love. Bless this land from the skies above. Let no chain hold us down again. Oromo rise, we break the pain. Wonchi waters deep and clear, echo stories year by year of a town that will never fall, standing strong, standing tall. Gadaa pray for peace and love, but we know what we're fighting for. No more chains, no more lies. Oromo rise, 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 rise. Children sing with a future bright. Sons and daughters claim their right. Hacaalu's voice will never fade. His dream lives in those he made. So when you come, just take it slow. Breathe the air, let your spirit grow. From the roots to the skies above, Ambo town, one heart, one love.